Yeah, very good morning guys, and today's vlog is all about riding accessories. So being a moto vlogger, I have to carry so much stuff with me, like multiple cameras, the battery, chargers, tripod, my mobile, glass, then wallet. And to carry all these things, I used to have a normal bag which I used to put on my back. But whenever I used to have a pillion rider, then it's sort of painful to carry it on back. So what I did is, to solve that issue, what I did is I got this tank bag for me, which is of Rynox. So if you see at front and two sides, you'll find the Rynox branding. Even on zipper, you'll find the Rynox branding. This branding is of high reflective or high visibility. Material of the bag is of 1680D polyester with PVC coating. Then there is the zipper of high quality with the water resistant zippers are given with this. If you open the bag, let's see, total of 5 compartments given, 2 side compartments. Then 2 are at top and 1 is the main compartment. So let's open this one. So this is the main compartment. You'll get this rain cover. If you're using this in rainy season, you'll get this rain cover along with it. There are multiple straps given inside this bag. So if you look at this, the inside, this is a 22-liter bag. If you open the side zipper, which is given here, if you open this one, you'll be able to expand this bag up to 32 liter. So you'll be able to put full face helmet inside. This bag is that big. If you look at inside, there is another strap. So if you have any important documents or anything, you can put inside and put this strap on, so it will hold it. At the other side, you will get this small net. You can put your documents or anything inside this. So this is the number 1 compartment, which is the biggest and main compartment. Then there are these 2 side compartments given. You can put your wallet, your glass, anything inside these. There's a small compartment at top. You can put your wallet, your change or anything here. The best thing I like about this bag is this particular portion where you can put your mobile, and you can operate it from here on top. I'll show you how. Okay, so I'm not sure if you're able to see this, but this particular portion which is transparent, you can put your mobile here, and during the ride, if you want to use any sort of you want to operate or look for any portion, you'll easily able to manage this from here. You don't have to open it. So this is the best thing about this bag. This is called Rynox M. M stand for magnets. So this is made for metal tanks. This will not fit on the plastic tanks. So if you are using a bike which is of metal tank, this is for you guys. So these straps can be used if you want to put this bag on your pillion seat. You can easily mount it along with the help of these straps. You find these 5 monopole magnets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are helpful to mount this bag on your metal tank. So this is the best. Plus another thing is, this portion is heat resistance. So if your tank is getting heated, then there will be no problem. This is heat resistance. That is another thing with this bag. I used this bag for a couple of rides so far, and the experience is good. Generally I ride with 90 80-90 kilometers per hour, and with that speed, even on turns and everything, it was fine. Another best thing about this bike, like suppose if you're riding to do some trick, then during ride you can put this bag on your tank with the help of these magnets. But once you reach at your trekking point and you need to carry this bag along with you, then no problem. The best thing about this is you'll get one zipper. You just need to open this, and let me show you. Not this one. You just need to open this zipper completely, and you can remove this metal magnet part and keep it inside, and under this you'll get these straps. So if you look at these straps, these straps are like your normal bag with the easily removable, instant removable button. You can just need to put it here, and that's it. You can easily put this on your back and do the trekking. So this is very simple and very user friendly. I like this so much. So this is the best thing about this bag. So let's try and mount this on my bike, and let's see how it is. So basically you have these 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which will magneting points which will hold this bag on your tank. So you just need to take it like this, put it like this, that's it. And if you see, I use this on ride. I have the bigger handle, but everything was working perfectly fine. So these 5 points will hold you back, doesn't matter the load you'll put inside. So that's it for today. This bag is very necessary if you're doing regular rides and you want to carry so much stuff with you. I hope you like this video. If you do, then hit like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe, and thank you so much.